basically it is a 3M material on the side. So you peel it off and you want to make sure you heat it up with a heat gun just to make sure the adhesive is nice and pliable. However, the first thing you want to do though, when applying this area, you want to get disinfecting wipes, preferably alcohol wipes like these, and you just grab a small wipe and you just want to clean off the surface area. Just want to make sure all the bacteria and everything, all the dirt is off, so it creates a nice bondage to the 3M adhesive. Just want to make sure it's all over in those areas. And once you're done cleaning this area, what you want to do is just let it dry off. Just make sure that it's nice and dry so it creates a nice perfect bondage. And a towel, you can also dry it off like that. So here we have a nice clean towel, and what I'm just doing here is just cleaning all the areas that the 3M is going to be stuck to. Just like that. With this, you can start to peel off the 3M backing. Just want to grab it with your nail or a knife and just pull. It just looks like that. What to do before applying it on is you want to go over with a heat gun or a blow dryer, anything just to warm up the 3M adhesive, just so it creates a proper bondage. Here is just a regular heat gun. You could always do this with a blow dryer also. Just make sure it's set on the hot setting, and what you want to do is just warm up the adhesive. You don't have to warm it up too hot, but just enough, especially here right now. It's pretty cold. It's around 30 degrees outside, and you just want to make sure that it's nice and warm. So now that we have it nice and warmed up, you can see it's definitely a lot more pliable. Now what you want to do is, you have around one shot with this, but you just want to line it up just like that, which is fairly easy because the cutouts are really good. Alright, so now here we got it aligned up with the perfect fitment. That's how it would look like, and now you can just start to push down to make sure that the 3M starts to grab. Just want to go around all the edges. Around the bottom half right here. To do, and this is from Carbon Fiber. It is really good quality here, as you can get a close-up on the weave. Let me just give a quick wipe down for all the fingerprints. Like that. You can see all the weave pattern right there. Everything is perfect and has perfect fitment right there. Sure that everything is properly on there, but it's just as easy as that. Alright guys, that was pretty much it for the install. Very easy, only took me around 5 minutes pretty much. I'll leave a link in the bio. This is pretty much a startup company that I'm starting up with. I have a real deep passion for carbon fiber parts. However, I do understand how expensive it is sometimes to buy parts like these. So that's why I'm making this company, in order to provide carbon fiber parts for, just so you're not breaking the bank, buying $200 on just a replacement piece on that, where here it's significantly a lot more cheaper. So I'll make sure to leave a link in the bio of my company, Carbon Fiber. And I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy the install. And I'll see you later.